Let's take another question. A toy is in the form of a cone of radius 3.5 centimeters mounted on a hemisphere of same radius. The total height of the toy is 15.5 centimeters. Find the total surface area of the toy. Again, as we can look into the figure, we have a hemisphere here and a cone is mounted on a hemisphere. The radius of hemisphere is 3.5 and the total height of the toy is 15.5 centimeters. So we have to find the total surface area of the toy. Let us see how do we work it out. Now let us have a look at this question. In this question, a toy is in the form of a hemisphere mounted by a cone. Radius of the hemisphere is 3.5 centimeters and total height of the toy is 15.5 centimeters. We have to find the total surface area of the toy. As we can look here, total surface area will be lateral surface area of the cone plus surface area of hemisphere. But before writing down that, let's write down radius, height, slant height if required for hemisphere and cone. So we have radius of hemisphere equals radius of base of cone equals R, which is equal to 3.5 centimeters. Because radius of base of cone and radius of hemisphere is same. Now total height of the toy is 15.5. So let us find out height of the cone. Height of the cone is height of the cone is 15.5 minus 3.5 centimeters. That means 12 centimeters. As I told in the last question also, height of the hemisphere is same as radius of the hemisphere. So therefore 15.5 minus 3.5, so height is 12 centimeters. As we know, for surface area of a cone, we require slant height. So let's first find out slant height of the cone. Now height of the cone is h. We can also write here h in between, we can write, and then we work over. Slant height. Slant height L is root r square plus h square. That means we have 3.5 whole square and plus 12 square and centimeters. That means root 12.25 plus 144 centimeters, which is equal to root 156.5 centimeters, and 25 centimeters, so which comes out to be 12.5 centimeters. Now total surface area. Total surface area is area of cone plus area of hemisphere. Area of cone, formula is pi r L, and lateral area of hemisphere is 2 pi r square. We are using same r because radius is same for both. Now from here, pi r we can take common. So we get L plus 2r. We put the values, 22 by 7. R is 3.5 into L is 12.5 and plus 2R is 2 into 3.5. So this equals, we cut it out, 22 into 0.5 and into 12.5 plus 7 and centimeter square. We solve it further. Solving it further gives us this equals, we multiply this, 22 into 0.5 is 11 and into 19.5 centimeter square. So this comes out to be 214.5 centimeter square. So total surface area of the toy is 214.5 centimeter square.